Hello. So today we'll be seeing a new program like finding duplicate elements in an array. It can be a string, it can be integer, anything. Okay. So first, in this demo we'll be seeing with string, but also we can do it with integer. So let's get started, and so let's create an array of string. So it's string. So what is this array of string? It's, let's say, some skills. So the skills are like, so let's say the first skill is Java. So someone has a skill as Java. Then let's say there is another skill he has or she has like Python. Okay, and then next skill, the person has React. Okay, and React.js, something like that. And then let's say Selenium. Okay, now let's say there is few more skills to add. Python. Okay, I have added duplicate, but that's okay. We want to find the which one is duplicate. And next we want to add something new. It's CSRF. And then I'm adding another duplicate, which is Selenium. So here we have two duplicate elements, and the next last one, let's say it's JavaScript. Okay, so these are the skills a person is having, and now I want to find the duplicate element. So what in which way we can use it? So thing is, this is very simple. Okay, and we need to use a collection here. Which collection do you think we need to use? It can be a map, it can be a asks, it can be a list, it can be a set. Okay, so when I call it set, we know, right? A set cannot contains duplicate, right? So here we will use this feature of set to solve this program. Okay, now let's see how we can do it. So let's see, first we need to create one set, right? So set of string. So I'm using diamond operator here and string generics, and then so I'm creating a temporary set, right? This is a temporary set, temp skills, new has set, right? And that's it. Okay, so this is giving some error. What is this error? Let's see it. Cannot type argument with has set. Okay, I think I have to import here. Now it's not giving error, right? Okay, so I created one set which is temp skills. And now what I want to do is, like, uh, I just want to find whether this Java can be added. I mean, let's say now this is empty set, right? Now we want to add the values from this array to this hash set, right? And when we're adding it, if it finds a duplicate elements, let's say first it added Python here, and then again when it is coming here and adding this Python, it will not add, right? So there is a method like set temp skills dot add. That method is adding the element, right? So when the second item is coming, it will return false, because this add method will return true or false. If it is able to add, then it will return true. If it is not able to add, then it will return false. So we will see it here. So let's see temp skill dot add. Now let's say I'm adding skills of zeroth element. Okay, so now we can see here, if you hover over it, it is returning it is returning boolean, right? So based on the success, it will return. If it success, if it gets success adding these skills, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So we'll use this logic here. So let's say uh, this is a Boolean condition, so we can put it in a condition. So if this is true, if this is returning, if this is actually this part is false, that means that element is duplicate, right? First time when Java will come, it will, or let's say Python will come, it will be true. So what I want to do, I want to print the duplicate element. So here, if I'm doing false here, so let's say Python is coming here. First time when Python will come, it will not go inside this if statement because this will return true and it will this if condition will become false because of this negation operator. And then the second time when Python is coming, in that case it will be true. So I will print this out, uh, duplicate, or directly I can print it, no need. So mm, okay, now what we will print here? So okay, we are thinking like I've just added the if statement, right? Right, I have added the statement, but what this is just to make you understand like how it is working. Now I will use the for loop because we have to iterate over this string of array, right? Now what I will do here for I will use the enhanced for loop and let's say string item and skills, right? And here okay. So I'm just iterating over enhanced through I am iterating over through enhanced for loop, right? So I'm getting the first item Java here in item, and now I'll put it here item. So it comes here, and then this is also item. So this I already explained. This if statement will be only only executed when this whole expression comes true. To make it true, we need to make this part as false. So when this part will be false, when this duplicate elements will be coming, because that this time this will be false, and another is Python Selenium. Selenium, when the Selenium will come, this will be false, and eventually this if statement will be true. That's it. That's the logic we have now. So it's very simple, right? Now, if I just right click on run as Java program, let's see what is happening. I hope it will not be failed. So we can see this Python and Selenium is coming, right? Very simple, very easy to do. And let's say I am adding one more um, React.js. So I want to see whether this React.js is coming as a duplicate element or not. So yes, this Python, Selenium, and React.js is coming. So it's working. Now let's say if I have a integer, something integer, right? So let's say int. So integer is already will be also working, but we have to use the integer wrapper class here instead of sets integer, right? It will be also same. This you can try it. Maybe later I can do it and do a new program with the integer one. For this one, I am doing it with the string. Okay, but this same logic will be applicable for the integer as well. Okay, so I'm not doing it. That's it. This is a short video, and I think I hope you understand or what